Good afternoon, Aspa. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Mrs. Ayushi Jiyal, and I am from Team IPT. That's Interview Preparing and Training Team, right? And I'll be conducting your interview for today. That's for the position of Byjus tutor for the position of biology, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So before we start, there are two things I will bring to your notice. First, try to attempt all the answers. Second, be really loyal with your answers, right?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. My name is 𝐁𝐨𝐴𝐤, and I'm excited to have this opportunity to interview for this particular post at Byju's Academic Service Partner. And I have 1 year of teaching experience. And basically, I'm from Malda, West Bengal. But and currently, I stay in Durgapur, West Bengal, where I'm pursuing BSc in Critical Care Technology from IQ City Medical College and Hospital. Actually, I have completed my 10+2 in 2019, and then I have dropped 3 years for NEET UG, but it's still not cracked, means I have not got any government seat. Uh, but the zeal of becoming an educator has been seated in between me since my childhood, and I always used to teach my younger brother and neighbors since my childhood days. And one thing that I have developed during all these things, that a student-centric approach of teaching. And apart from this, ma'am, I have actively participated lots of professional development courses, workshops, and programs to especially hosted by Growth School or Class Plus, etc. To especially updated on the teaching methodologies and educational advancements, including using of AI and all. And in well, I can say, ma'am, I can incorporate this latest teaching methodologies and teaching tools during my classroom to leverage all these digital resources for a great learning experience for my students. That's it, ma'am.
Aspa, there are certain do and don'ts of an interview. Right now, I'll conduct your interview, and on the feedback round, I'll give you feedback. How do you have to give an introduction? Fine. Right? Introduction has to be something brief introduction. That has to be a 1 to 2 minutes. Right? And what you have to speak in the introduction, what you do not have to speak.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, video got stuck. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Am I audible and visible to you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
It's fine now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so tell me, what do you know about Byjus?
Byjus is a online edtech company which was established in 2011 by Byju Raveendran and his wife Divya Gokulnath as Think and Learn Private Limited. But later they published the Byju's Learning App in 2015. And as per the latest news of 2022, the Byju's valued as 22 billion US dollar. And Byju's has acquired lots of reputed companies like Whitehead Junior, Akas Institute, and Osmo, um, Grade Up, etc., etc. And the competitors of Byju's are Physicswala, Unacademy, Vedantu, those companies.
Who is
And
the founder and co-founder of Byjus?
founder is Byju Raveendran, and co-founder is his wife Divya Gokulnath.
Okay. And could tell me some of the features of Byjus app?
Features Byju's actually provides LKG to competitive exams, various competitive exam solutions, including using animations, using by gamifying learning, and and completely digital enhanced lectures.
Okay, now tell me, what are your strengths and your weaknesses?
Yeah, ma'am, repeat again, please.
Your strength and your weaknesses.
My strength is my adaptability. The new situation, if I face, then definitely I will adapt myself on this particular phase to work efficiently. And my weakness is, ma'am, I have to figure it out, ma'am. My weaknesses. I have to, I don't know what to say. I
Now,
have
if
to
you get
work on my
rejected,
communication skill more and more.
say this,
Yes, ma'am.
and but if you get rejected today, what are your backup plans?
My backup plans is, ma'am, I will be preparing those things again and again, and definitely I will try again.
At Byju's?
Yes, at Byjus. Yes, at Byjus and at anywhere else means yes, I do want to associate with Byjus, but if I get rejected today, then definitely I will apply to somewhere else. But I want to be educator, I want to be a teacher, and I will be there. How much efforts it takes, I will put into it, ma'am.
Tell me the difference between a teacher and a mentor.
A teacher is, ma'am, who teaches us everything, who teaches us our curricular studies. But a mentor, apart himself from a teacher, that he or she guides us as our future goals, as our motivate us, inspires us. Those are mentors, ma'am. They could be teacher. Teacher could be also a mentor.
Uh, Spark, when is your actual interview? Can you tell me that?
Ma'am, actually, I have received a call 2 or 3 days back from the recruiting team of Byjus, and they have asked me they will schedule within a week interview session. Maybe 2 or 3 days, ma'am, maximum.
That means you have time to prepare, right? I will be giving you feedback later on, and I'll tell you how you have to prepare in that feedback. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Because you need to work hard. Means there is whatever answer you are giving, no, there is no clarity in the answer. Getting my point? And even the communication skill, you are repeating one word again and again. It's not that. If you want to say, ma'am, if I don't get selected in Byjus, I'll make sure I'll focus on my weakness and make them my strength and reapply at Byjus, because Byjus is one of the prestigious platform. अगर आप ये आंसर दे दोगे, आई ट्राई समवेयर एल्स, वो तो आपको साइकोलॉजिकल स्किल चेक करने के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं ना आपसे, अगर नहीं सिलेक्ट होंगे तो क्या करोगे? आप तो क्लियरली उनको बोल रहे हो कि मेरे पे तो बैकअप है, मैं तो कहीं और ट्राई करूंगा, बट देयर आर समथिंग जो हम नहीं बोल सकते. समझ रहे हो?
Yes,
कंफर्टेबल विद
ma'am.
माय हिंदी एज वेल?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
So there are certain do and don'ts of an interview. अभी मैं आपको फीडबैक दूंगी, and I want you to focus on the feedback and then appear for an interview. एक और मॉक इंटरव्यू है, क्योंकि देखो क्या होता है, मैं कुछ कैंडिडेट्स को हमेशा बोलती हूँ, इंटरव्यू का एक लेवल होता है ये, ठीक है? अभी आप इसमें हो, अभी आपको सीखना है, फीडबैक लेना है, क्या चीज बोलनी है, क्या चीज नहीं बोलनी. कई लोग हमारे पास आते हैं, इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा जाता है, बट वो सिलेक्ट नहीं होते. फिर वो आते कि मैम आई डू नॉट नो द रीजन व्हाई आई डिडंट गेट सिलेक्टेड, दैट्स आई वांट टू गिव अ मॉक इंटरव्यू. जैसे आप मुझे बता सको मैं क्यों सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाई. तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है जब मैं उनको इंटरव्यू में फोकस करती हूँ, जब उनको फीडबैक देती हूँ ना, देन दे गेट टू नो दिस माइट बी द रीजन. एक लेडी थी, उसने इंट्रोडक्शन में बोला दैट आई हैव अ 4 month old infant, and there is no means in my family we are 3 of us, me, my husband and my daughter. My husband stays out of station, I have to take care of my daughter. मतलब पूरा पूरा सब कुछ बता दिया अपना इंट्रोडक्शन में. एचआर के माइंड में क्या आया? 4 month old infant. समझ रहे हो? 4 month old बच्चों को अटेंशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. सो टीचर पार्ट
Yes,
टाइम भी
ma'am.
जॉब कैसे? पार्ट टाइम भी पॉसिबल नहीं है करना. सो ऑल द कितना भी अच्छा इंटरव्यू दोगे, बट एचआर पे भी प्रेशर होता है कि बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स लेके आना है, ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स लेके आना है जो बायजूस में रहे एटलीस्ट 2 years तक, राइट? सो कई चीजें आपको
Yes,
बोलनी होती है, कई चीज नहीं बोलनी होती इंटरव्यू के लिए. कई लोग बोल देते हैं व्हाट आर योर बैकअप प्लान्स, इफ आई गेट रिजेक्टेड आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, आई विल फोकस मोर ऑन यूपीएससी. व्हाई आर यू टेलिंग देम दैट? वो इसलिए पूछ रहे हैं बिकॉज़ दे वांट टू टेक थिंग्स आउट. वो चाह रहे हैं कि आप और चीजें बताओ. समझ रहे हो?
okay,
So,
ma'am.
इसलिए
Yes,
मैं कह रही हूँ कई चीजें हैं, कई चीजें नहीं है. एनीवेज मैं बीच बीच में इसलिए बता रही हूँ आपको, फिर आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए. बाकी फीडबैक में तो मैं बताऊंगी.
okay, ma'am.
Now, tell me, mm, fine. Right now, prepare any topic and present a demo video to me. Biology.
Okay, ma'am. So, uh, I will explain a topic from class 10th chapter, Science, Control and Coordination, especially Chemical Control and Coordination, Endocrine System, ma'am. So, our human body is very much a complex system, and in between our body, we have lots of systems, and to maintain a proper synchrony among all those systems, including digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, to maintain a homeostasis, to maintain a synchrony, it's very essential to coordinate and control those systems properly. And here, nervous tissues or nerves plays a great role, but their functions is limited. They can't play a role in the cellular level. They also plays role in the organ level or organ system level. But when it comes to control a single cell, then they fail. Here, the crucial role played by the special chemicals known as hormones. So hormones are non-nutrient trace elements that plays a crucial role to control every single cell in your body. So we have we have few glands like which from where these hormones are secreted, and those glands are known as endocrine glands. That means they are ductless glands. They have not any ducts. The hormones released from those glands directly poured into the blood or extracellular mm, compartments. So, what are the glands? So, if I discuss about the glands, then the first one is the hypothalamus gland. This gland is also known as the master of master gland. And what is the master gland? Master gland is known as pituitary gland, and hypothalamus is known as the master of master gland because pituitary gland secretes all the essential hormones, but the secretions or inhibitions of pituitary glands is completely regulated by the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus releases especially releasing hormone, inhibiting hormone, and apart from these, hypothalamus also produces oxytocin and ADH or vasopressin. And if I discuss about the function of oxytocin or vasopressin, so oxytocin also known as the love hormone because the fonts, the human attachments, all those things are controlled by oxytocin hormone. Also, oxytocin hormone plays an important role in
Okay, Swak,
childbirth.
I'll be asking you general questions now. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis, ma'am, is a process in plants by which the plants converts light energy into chemical energy with the help of uh, chloroplast.
What are the different types of plants?
Different types of plants. In plants, there are angiosperm, gymnosperm.
Herbs, shrubs,
I'm not.
creepers, climbers. What is respiration?
Respiration is a process by which uh, food breakdown and produces energy. It mainly occurs in mitochondria, and by which all the requirement of energy is fulfilled in our body. And a toxic carbon dioxide is produced during this process as a byproduct.
Can you differentiate between herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores?
Herbivores, omnivores. Omnivores are those who eats everything. Carnivores are who eats animals, not just grasses or veg. They eat animals. And herbivores are those who don't eat animals. They just eat grasses, trees, or vegetables like this.
Okay, what do you understand by nutrition?
Nutrition is, ma'am, the essential thing for our body to operate because I have to ready it, ma'am. Nutrition.
How many bones a normal adult have?
206, ma'am.
Can you define pollination?
Pollination is a process by which flowers reproduce themselves, plants reproduce themselves. It mainly occurs in flowers. Mm, Actually, there are agents, biotic and abiotic agents, who helps flowers or plants to um, get through this process, pollination.
What is transpiration?
Transpiration is excreting out the excess water from the plant body.
What is soil erosion?
Soil erosion is, ma'am, I have to read it,
Oh,
ma'am. I'm losing it.
what is a balanced diet?
Balanced diet means, ma'am, in which diet like calorific values and the proteins, vitamins, fatty acids, everything will be in proper maintained value. Then this will be called as balanced diet.
As far as in your email, they must have emailed you the topics which they will ask you, right?
Till now, ma'am, now I have not received that email.
When is your actual interview? They have not told you.
No, they have just told me that I will receive that email regarding this, and in between a week.
When you will receive the email, no, they will give you the topics. So you prepare only those topics because they'll ask you questions regarding that topic. Nothing will be asked apart from those topics, right?
Okay, ma'am.
I am only asking you general questions, but whatever topic they'll be giving you, they focus on that topics. Be thorough with the
Okay, ma'am.
topics. Now tell me the
Okay.
reason why we should hire you.
Reason why ma'am, I have proper content knowledge, so the requirement for this post as a science faculty. So definitely, mm, I can provide the best content solutions to the students. And as I have said earlier, ma'am, I can use the most interesting things like animations, like graphics, using of graphics or videos to elaborate any topic to the students, which will definitely help them or grasp them the topic very easily. And ma'am,
Okay, how do you deal with criticism?
definitely I will the criticism what will I think this is positive, then definitely I will take some criticism as positive thing and I will improve. But not all the criticism I will take inside my heart and go through it.
Then what will you do? How do you deal with it?
I will ignore, ma'am.
Fine. There is a 2-year bond in Byjus. Are you ready to sign the bond?
At first, I have to check the relevant terms and conditions and all the policies, and if it gets relevant, then I will think about it. But right now, I'm not sure about it. That definitely I will sign it. I can't say this.
After reading the terms and conditions, you will think about it.
Yes, I will think about it, and definitely, if it goes relevant with the my post, my job post, then definitely I will, ma'am. I will definitely. At first, I have to think about it. Then
Okay, now let's